If you want to know how to download and install Stray for iOS and Android, then you've come to the right place. Hi guys, welcome here, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel. I'm going to show you how I got Stray installed on my mobile through a short video tutorial. I'll go ahead and show you guys the app. Let us remove Stray from my mobile so that I can start fresh with you. Follow the upcoming steps carefully, guys. So what you want to do is first open up the settings on your iOS device. If you own an Android device, skip this step and directly go to the step where I open my web browser. Once you're on the general pane, go to background app refresh and turn it on. You'll also want to turn off low power mode if it's enabled. So guys, now you want to open up Safari or Chrome and enter the exact web address as I type in the search bar. So the website is imodgo.com. The site has some awesome apps and games for you to install. Now you'll have to navigate to Stray and tap next to it. Now you'll be presented with a menu. You must tap on Download now. It will take some time to download the source files and install them on your device. So basically, I have to install 2 apps from the App Store or Play Store and follow the instructions. This probably pays for the server and development costs. In my case, it tells me to install the app and keep it open for 30 seconds. Now, this is a trusted source, and you have 0 chances of getting adware. These apps in the store are sometimes patched. I'm done installing the first app and have opened it up for 30 seconds. I'm done installing the second app and have opened it up for 30 seconds. As you can see, as soon as I follow the instructions on the site, Stray is automatically installed on my device. You're in luck, Android users, because you're done here. You might want to restart your device if nothing shows up. For my pals with iOS devices, you need to open up Settings, then navigate to the General pane and go to Profiles. Click on Next twice and install the profile, and boom, Stray is installed on your device. Now I'll have some fun playing Stray on my iPhone. Thank you, guys, and should you have any queries, let me know in the comment section.